In front of me is OnePlus Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. In them, click on Keyboard and Input Method. Select Manage Keyboards and Gbird. Following that, tap on Text Correction and click on this switcher next to Autocorrection. This way, you'll turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!